Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we'll discuss how to handle styles in both Android and iOS. Right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So in the previous class, we had discussed the map function and the spread operator, right? So with the use of spread operator and map function, we have displayed this list of goals, right? For this list of goals, now I will give some styles, right? So for that, I have to take an object, right? So I'll write goal styles, right? So here I'll give margin as 8 and padding as 8, and after that I'll give border radius as 6 and background color as this violet color. So it is represented in the hexadecimal form, right? So and after that I will give color as white, right? And I will just add this object to this text, right? So here I'll write style is equal to styles dot goal styles, right? See now, see we are having styles, right? For the list of goals we are having these styles. So I'll explain the properties now. See, first we are having margin 8, right? So margin 8 specifies we are having space from the left, from the outside, right? We are having space from the left 8 pixels, right 8 pixels, and from the top we are having 8 pixels of distance, right? We are having 8 pixels of space, and same way we are having 8 pixels of space from the bottom also, right? So that's why we are having some space here, right? And we are having padding. So padding will involve inside this box. See, we are having inside, we are having some space, right, inside. So these are the padding. So from the top we are having 8 pixels, from the top, from the bottom we are having 8 pixels, from the left and the right we are having 8 pixels, right? I hope you understand. And the third property is border radius, right? So for the border radius we are having this curve, right? We are having this curve. For example, instead of 6 I'll give 12 here. See now, we are having lot of curve, right? So this is called border radius, right? We are having lot of border radius here. So now I'll just reduce it to 6, right? And the background color we are having violet color, right? Which I have added, like I have implemented in the hexadecimal form. And the color for the text we are having white, right? I hope you understand. So in this way we can implement these styles for this list of goals. So this is implementing for this Android, right? Yeah, like these styles are implementing for this Android. If we execute these same styles for the iOS, if we execute same styles for the iOS, for the Apple mobile phone, it will not work. This border radius property will not work, right? For example, in the Android, we are having this curve, right? But in the iOS, you will not see this curve, right? So, but here I can't show you the iOS mobile phone, right? But if you run this project in the iOS mobile phone, then you can see this radius property will not work in that iOS device, right? So to work both in Android and iOS, you have to make some changes, right? To work in both Android and iOS, you have to make some changes. So for that you have to, so inside this you have to open the view component, right? You have to wrap it with the view component, right? So the styles which are you are giving to this text, right? So instead of, you have to cut here and paste it in the view, right? Now view is holding this text. Now view is holding this text. See now. See now, this view is holding this text, but we are having the text inside it. We are having the black color. Why? Because for the view we are giving the white color, right? For the view we are giving the white color. This is the view, the outer part. So inside this text, we are not giving any styles, right? By default, it will give black color, right? So for that, we have to take another object. I will write text goal style, and I'll just open it, and inside it, I'll just cut this property here, and I will just paste it. So see now, I'll just copy this and I will use this in the text. Style. Instead, I'll write styles dot text goal style. Right? So see now, for example, if I give any text here, for example, Achat, and if I click on add goal, so now we can see the overall styles and the inside the text component style also. Right? I hope you understand. So here you are not seeing any problem, but if you run this project in the iOS, you will see the problem. So you should, like, you will not see this curve, this border radius. So to handle this, you have to include this view, right? So this goal also, like this key also, you can add it in the view, right? See, there is no change. And if I type another input here, and if I click on add goal, see this, like this input is adding here in the list of codes, right? I hope you understand. So finally, what I'm saying is, whatever the styles which you are giving here will execute in one way in Android and one way in iOS. So you have to deal with this, like you have to deal with this properties, style properties for both Android and iOS, right? I hope you understand, right? So in this way, we can handle styles for both Android and iOS, right? I hope you like this class, and if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.